Hey guys, once again, just a real quick video. I'm going to try my best to hold this camera steady with one hand. So, I've got a little Husqvarna, it's a 125 BT. It's probably about 12 years old, and it's seen better days, but it's still in decent shape. There's nothing major broken on it. But we started having some running issues, and so the carburetor had to come apart. And as you see right here, that diaphragm gasket is torn. So I got on the Husqvarna website. No longer available. What the crap? So this thing was bought in probably 2006 when I was still working at the Husqvarna dealer. My dad used it for several years, and he actually bought my grandfather the same blower. And then when this one messed up, we traded. And so this one was my dad's. I think it's the older of the two. But this is a TK carburetor, abbreviated for TEI, KEI, I guess Tiki. I don't know if they went out of business or if Kawasaki just said to hell with it. Now, this blower was made by Kawasaki sometime in about 2008, I think it was. Kawasaki bought out Red Max. So Kawasaki blowers are now rebranded Red Max blowers. But this one was made by Kawasaki. And this TK carburetor, you can get the whole carburetor from Husqvarna for $144. If you look it up for a KRB 300, which is the Kawasaki version, you can get it for around $100. That's still a lot of money. So I was able to find one place on the entire internet that offered a carburetor kit for this that is probably aftermarket. It's definitely not OEM. I could find no diaphragms for this style carb anywhere on eBay, Amazon, Google. I looked everywhere, man. jackssmallengines.com. I think the part number is 4310TK7. Okay. They offer a diaphragm kit, and I bought two of them. There's only two they had in stock, and I have no idea if they'll even have any more after those two. But that was my only solution. They were $7 a piece, plus shipping. So, pretty reasonable price. That's what you'd expect to pay for a cheap carb kit, diaphragm only. But, if it wasn't for that, this blower would be completely worthless. And it's a good blower. I mean, this is a small one, but, I mean, it's a great little blower for blowing off the driveway and doing my leaves, and just needed a carburetor rebuild. Didn't expect that to total the machine out. So on some of this equipment now, you guys just need to understand, we are going to start struggling to see parts. I know Kawasaki exited the handheld market completely after Husqvarna quit buying their equipment. And so Kawasaki now only makes 4-cycle engines. They do not make any handheld and definitely no two-stroke. So I guess they've decided to quit carrying the parts, or maybe it's because TK went out of business and they can't get the parts for TK anymore. But, for the most part, I've seen 40-year-old Kawasaki's that still have all the parts available. So this just baffles me. So just, if you're buying one of these, you might want to shy away from it unless, it runs good and doesn't need any work. Because if it needs something as simple as a carburetor rebuild, that's going to set you back like $150. So, I mean, $100 more and you're probably into the small range backpacks at that point. And then another $100 on top of that, you're into the good backpacks. So, cost effectiveness of repair is just almost not there. So anyway, I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. This is, like I said, my own personal blower. And just goes to show you can't fix everything, even if it's something simple. Sometimes someone throws a wrench in your plans. Anyway, I hope you guys learned something from this video and have a great day. And sorry if it's kind of shaky. And I hope you all have a good one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.